Are you looking for the best gym gloves? In this video, we will break down the top 4 gym gloves. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Trideer Weightlifting Gloves. Whether you're weightlifting, cycling, or bodybuilding, these are the gloves that can do it all, which makes them our best overall selection. Designed with high-quality lightweight microfiber, they offer the utmost durability, so you can expect them to do the job well for a long time. The gloves feature dual Velcro straps, which are adjustable and provide stability to the wrist. The silica gel palm allows for great gripping, and the 18-inch wrist wraps provide maximum support and safety to allow you to comfortably, effectively, and safely lift heavy weights, or keep that sturdy grip on your bicycle's handlebars. At number 2. Fit Active Sports Gloves. If you are looking for full palm protection which will prevent you from getting calluses or torn hands, this is the pair for you. Built-in wrist wraps keep your hands steady and comfortable while you lift, and Velcro wraps around your wrists give you the perfect fit. Silicone-printed neoprene grip ensures you can hold on well to the dumbbells. What is really neat about these is the open back design, which allows your hands to breathe so your hands won't get sweaty and the gloves won't be smelly. Reviewers who lift a lot think these are the perfect solution for tired, worn hands. They note that they protect your hands but aren't bulky, which can interfere with your routine. At number 3. SIMARI Workout Gloves. The SIMARI workout gloves include mesh fiber on the back to help with ventilation and a terry cloth thumb to wipe away sweat. There are also loops on the fingers for easy removal. Available in sizes ranging from extra small to extra large, these gloves are a great option for any lifter with sweaty hands. Appropriate for a range of activities, the gloves feature a foam pad on the palm to prevent blisters and calluses. They also have added wrist support. Keep in mind that serious lifters report that the gloves wear out faster than expected when used on a daily basis. At number 4. Unisex Workout Gloves for men and women. A versatile design that lends itself to many different kinds of workouts and weight-focused training, Unisex gloves are budget-friendly without sacrificing quality entirely. While there isn't as comprehensive of wrist support as we've seen on other options, the Velcro closure should help to secure the fit firmly, which helps with improving grip. A plush sponge-like grip is embedded in the glove's polyurethane and leather blended casing, which also helps with any blisters or shot blowback when using equipment or hauling barbells. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.